Hey and welcome to this video. Today we're going to talk about a new feature that we have brought into the web chat widget, and that is called the chat footer. Previously, you were already able to set a chat header. So the chat header is basically the text on top, as you can see here. But now we also implemented the chat footer. So you can find that under the web chat widget, then under the content section, and then you will see chat footer. Now currently we don't have anything yet, but the way it works is it will be displayed just above the UChat branding. And if you're on your partner domain, then and you have a partner branding, then it will display above that section. So the way it works is you need to have it in this format. So if we're just going to copy and paste this into the footer text and say implement, you will see that it will arrive just above the UChat branding in this case. Now, if you want to change this, of course, towards your own branding, towards your own call to action, you could easily do this. And the footer is really useful for a lot of things. So for example, it could be a disclaimer that people are talking with AI, right? And then towards the disclaimer page, or this would be a call to action to get their free copy of an ebook, for example. So let's take that part. So let's say claim free copy. And then let's just say, okay, we're going to change the email address to, for now, just google.com. So if we do so, you will see that it has been adjusted as such. So claim free copy can also change the link color and also, or the text color and also the link color itself. Now, if you want to do so, you can adjust that towards your own liking, towards your own preferences. We will leave that up to you. But as soon as you apply the changes, you will see them here. And if we press it, then it will go towards the web page that you set. So this is a really good way to have additional call to actions, disclaimers, privacy policies, terms and conditions, stuff like that inside the web chat footer. Could also be a bio page, for example, a link tree page where you have several different free content where people can opt in. You can put them on your email list. And basically the possibilities are endless. So if you have any questions about this, do let us know. For now, have fun with this, try it out, and have a great day. Take care.